Hi, my name is Natasha Akila. I'm from Expert 9. Today I will present to you guys about rock sampling, which is Rqd. Introduction. Sampling and drilling are essential methods in site investigation that give geologists and geotechnic engineers knowledge about a site's surface condition. The method of sampling entails boring holes in the earth and gathering rock samples from varying depths. The physical and engineering properties of the rock are ascertained using the data gathered. The design of many structures can be continued using the information gained. Rock coring is the process used to collect rock samples with a drill bit that has a diamond tip. Continuous or discontinuous sample can be obtained based on the drilling technique chosen. After being taken from the borehole, the samples are transferred to a lab for testing and analysis. The results of the analysis are applied to create a geotechnical or SI report that offer details on the site's subsurface condition as well as suggestion for the layout and building of the foundation. Next, for the equipment and methodology, first, core samples are taken from the drilling of the rock core using proper drilling technique to minimize the core breakage and then brought to the lab. And then using a measuring tape, measure all the pieces of rock along the center line that are still intact. The measured length must be greater than 10 cm to the nearest of 1 cm. Then record in the datasheet. Only pieces from the natural fracture shall be considered in Rqd. The core that breaks during the drilling is fit and counted as one pieces. And then record the sum of the intact core pieces longer than 10 cm long and calculate the Rqd value for the core run evaluated. Then we need to calculate the percentage of the Rqd core run using the formula. And then record the top and bottom depth of each core run. Sketch core features such as natural fracture, drilling break, lost core, or highly weathered pieces. Lastly, we need to remark the description of the core condition and geotechnical quality by referring to the Rqd and geotechnical quality table. Ada formula table. This is the formula for calculating Rqd, which is Rqd equal to length of intact rock core divide by total length of the rock core sample and we multiply by 100. Higher Rqd value indicate a greater proportion of intact rock and it much more stable and has a better rock quality. For the Rqd less than 25, it is very poor rock mass quality. For the Rqd between 25 and 50%, it shows the rock quality is poor. For 50 until 75%, it is fair. And then for 75 until 90%, it is good. And for 90 until 100%, it shows that rock mass for quality is excellent. So this is the picture. For example, you can see. And then for the calculation, here is the example. This is a core that total length is 2 meter. And then we just add all the total length of core pieces, which is 0.42, 0.32, 0.24 and 0.38, and then we divide by total core run length and then we multiply by 100. So for this core, it shows that it is in fair condition, which is 68%. And then for the discussion, from the example calculation and result, the Rqd value is 68%, which is mean the rock mass quality is fair. It indicates also that the rock is moderately weathered. Rqd is a measure of the quality of rock core taken from a borehole. Rqd signifies the degree of jointing or fracture in a rock mass measured in the percentage, where Rqd of 75% or more shows good quality hard rock and less than 50% show low quality weathered rock as shown in the table. Rqd is used to evaluate the quality of rock, such as the depth and degree of weathering, fracturing, and zone of rock weakness. This information is used for determine the depth of foundation, bearing capacity of rock settlement, and sliding possibilities of foundation. Rqd helps in obtaining favorable tunneling condition and evaluate the zones with poor quality rocks which may not support the engineered structure. Lastly, for the conclusion, to conclude, rock quality designation play a very major role, especially in construction activities. It helps not just geologists in determining the rock condition of a specific point, but also help engineers in assessing the suitability to do their project in the area. Aside from that, Rqd does not just review the rock quality in the area, but also ensure stable and safe structure can be built in the area. Thank you.